See you anyway. Hey, y'all, listen. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Y'all know I'm resting and keeping it real and cutting up, but the imaginary cousin is here. He doesn't want to be photographed right now, but he wants to tell us all this knowledge stuff about butter and, cream and all this stuff about dairies, but then he doesn't want to go live. I think it's a little weird. Are you in the witness protection program? I think you might be.
And there goes his cousin.
And no, that's his uncle. I think I have family that's in the witness protection program, and they have never told me. But I do want to show y'all. Winifred is here taking care of me. She takes such good care of me. There she is. See?
Hello.
Hello.
Let me pull a Lisa and say, what is wrong with that right there?
Lord, mine is greasy and needs color real bad. But
we have eaten a hodgepodge dinner. She sat here, and we've pulled out leftovers from her mom and friends that brought soup and soup she made, and a salad. And we made some cheese bread.
We've eaten like kings and queens.
And we've done like a smorgasbord.
And look who's on there.
And guess
what? And
guess
why we
Miss
started
Engel?
This blog, Miss Engel. Boom.
Debbie
Fraser Engel brought me these, y'all. These are homemade. Oh, wait. Sorry. Hang on. It's worth it. Homemade graham crackers with homemade marshmallows. I didn't even know that was possible.
Y'all, and
when I tell you it is bomb.com,
yes.
It will deliver you. I'm not kidding you, from this earth. Okay.
Now, the consistency of the marshmallows feels like a regular marshmallow, but the taste is so much more. Oh, it's better. The graham crackers are scrumptious, and it's so. You will never eat another graham cracker again after you make
the whale watcher police is gonna come arrest me. I know it's gonna be bad, really. And then he brings the raw butter. I don't think I mentioned that because I was so overcome with that. But he brings the raw butter that goes in our freezer. Yep. We love it.
Yep.
From the Amish community in Belleville, Pennsylvania. He doesn't like to be photographed, though. He's either in the witness protection program or he's a vampire. I ain't sure which.
We're not sure which. Yeah.
It's an issue. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all a picture of these because we're going to put them in the oven. Debbie, I know we put them in just for a few minutes till the marshmallow melts.
Tell us, Debbie, what temp and how long?
Because we're getting ready to have coffee and that. And
she's been excited for 3 hours, Debbie.
Debbie, I had to hide them from myself because I thought Winifred might come over, and she did, and I wanted to share in this great thing. So I think it's like $3.50, but just till the marshmallows melt, maybe.
Let's see
what she says. Hey, hello. Susan. Hey, let's see. Who was that? Kellyanne. Hey, Kellyanne.
And Marissa Christmas.
Hey, Marissa Christmas. I got a funny story about Marissa Christmas' husband.
Bernadette.
Homemade graham crackers and yes. Okay, here's the funny story. Corn chowder. Oh, you made the corn chowder, Katrina. We're having that tonight, too. I'm so glad you like it. We are. Marissa, your husband, done surprised me at the ball game, and he said, I hear your voice every night before I go to bed. And I kind of stepped back from him like, huh? I thought he was coming on to me for a minute, and
She's so crazy.
I looked a lot better at the game. But anyway, he told me real quick that it was from the Cooking, Cuttin Up, Keeping It Real. I was very flattered. Very, very flattered. Wendy, how were the hot dogs today? Beverly wants to know.
Beverly. Girl, Zach's. I grew up at Zach's. And that hot dog, I had 2 hot dogs all the way today. And they were wonderful, and Daddy enjoyed his too. Years ago when we were growing up, he could eat 5 hot dogs in one sitting.
I could too, exactly.
We loved them. So it was great. We need to go one time and take a bunch of people. It'd be fun.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
And I hope you're feeling better.
And Debbie said put them on broil just until they're brown, just until they're melted.
Broil. Okay, I'm going to cut the oven on.
Okay, because we're going to eat those real shortly here. But anyway, I just wanted to hop on here and say congratulations to the ones who won today. I know Miss Lori was the winner on Facebook. And Lori, I need you to private message me your phone, not your phone number, your address so I can mail it to you. And hey, Linda, listen, Linda, use them striped cookies.
Use them, what cookies?
What
you're saying avoid the chocolates. You can just use those little fudge stripe cookies?
Oh, for s'mores.
Oh.
Okay.
But we got to have Debbie's homemade graham
when
crackers.
Debbie delivers these, hand delivers them.
Oh, and beautiful packaging.
Yeah, she's
She's the bomb.
listen. Before she ever married into the family, and she brought that gift to my sister-in-law when they got married, I just knew that I'd like her because it had like herbs and this basket. It was very impressive.
Oh, I knew the first day I met her. I loved her. She's
know.
always been the same.
We
She's
do,
so
we
sweet.
do love her, but we do have to house some of our cousins that we don't necessarily love a lot. I mean, we like them, but the imaginary cousins in there don't like to be photographed.
He's imaginary.
He is. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture of that as we partake. We're gonna
Show him another one now. And then
Okay.
We'll show him
Okay.
another
This
one.
is the before. Yes, it is.
Homemade
See, look,
marshmallows.
they're like sponge. I'm telling y'all, Debbie needs to come on Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping
She
It Real.
does. Why don't
And,
you do a segment
well, you
for
know,
Christmas with
look,
her?
for Christmas.
Yeah.
Debbie, I think that y'all should plead with Debbie to come on.
Yes.
She's another one that doesn't like to be photographed.
And she
but-
cooks so well.
Oh my gosh. Bomb.com. So Debbie, we're shouting you out, and I'm gonna need you to blog these with me one day, teach me how to do it. Linda said I don't have a Debbie. I know, right? We're blessed. Lisa, are you feeling better? I am feeling better, Karen. I have been off my feet all day. And then my best good friend Winifred came over to warm up all these wonderful things that I had in the refrigerator while I sit here with my leg up.
I'm really a big help.
Debbie,
I'm putting
see-
stuff in the microwave.
Debbie, they're pleading with you, Debbie, to come on. So, Debbie, I'm going to hold you to that. I'm going to hold your feet to the flame. We're going to put these in the oven. I'll
then
show
we'll
you a
shake.
picture of them when they come out, and then we're going to eat them. And you know what? Well, Watch Police just going to have to understand when a girl's laid up, the best thing she can do for medicine is eat. I'm just saying.
Just the way it goes.
I'm just saying. So we're going to sign out for now. I know everybody needs a Debbie. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. 345 people. Thank you for following. This is going to be worth it, just so y'all know. So stay tuned. Cooking, Cut Up, Keep It Real. Debbie's S'mores.